After a little break, we are back on our Stittsville bathroom project, and this is the shower where we have the most fun with the tile here in this house. And since we were gone, we found that all the tiles we have here are only 3 different kinds. So there are 3 identical tiles for the whole wall in this whole shower. And my clients got super creative, and instead of trying to do something, we highlight it. And so here's a little pattern how to make the best out of what we have, and here's a little sneak peek how it's come up. So this will be super cool. We just got the niche in just a little while ago because we want to make sure that it will line up and fit perfectly in the tile grid. And you see it's a custom size. It's 12 by 40, so we've got 2 shoulder niches and put it all together in one piece and glued the mosaic while it was still sitting on the ground. Here's a little trick. Why would you fight the mosaic on the wall if you can just do it, have a gravity on your side? So this is, now we'll really have some fun here because we'll have the same mosaic strip coming down here, and we have the vent as we noticed in the previous video with some nice area outlet. So it will be all hidden in this round mosaic, and all these things are coming up nicely. You can even see this freestanding bathtub, and obviously shower floor is covered up. So this is where the fun really comes together. We'll have, stay tuned because there will be some super fun details coming up, and we'll show you more soon. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one.